Hello, welcome back once again. In our today's video, we're going to evaluate this nice definite integral. The integral from 0 to 1 of 1 all over the square root of x plus the cube root of x dx. Okay, let's get started. Let's call this integral I. So our I is going to be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 divided by square root of x is same as x to the power of 1 over 2. Plus the cube root of x is same as x to the power of 1 over 3 and then dx. So we're going to make a very nice substitution. We know the powers there. We have 1 over 2, we have 1 over 3. So if you let x equals t raised to the power of 6, then differentiate both sides to get dx is equal to 6t to the power of 5 dt. You get the idea? So our I in terms of t is going to be equal to the integral. Now remember, when x is approaching 0, t will be approaching the 6th root of 0. That is 0, right? When x is equal to 1, t will be approaching the 6th root of 1, which is 1. Then we have 1 all over. So here, this will be same as t raised to the power of 6 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus here t raised to the power of 6 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Then dx is equal to 6t to the power of 5 dt. So this is equal to 6 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 1 divided by, so here this is going to be x. That is t, not x. So sorry for that. So we have t raised to the power of 6 times 1 over 2 is giving us 3, right? So we have t raised to the power of 3 plus, now here we have t to the power of 6 times 1 over 3 is giving us 2. And don't forget our t to the power of 5 dt. So here I is equal to, now we can factor out the common at the denominator, right? So this is 6 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 1. So we have 1 all over. So this here is same as t raised to the power of 2 into bracket t plus 1, right? Then let's make this t to the power of 5 as we have t to the power of 5 up there. And then the t, so with the nice cancellation there, we get 6 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 1. So this is going to be equal to t raised to the power of 3 divided by t plus 1 and then dt. Now let's see how we're going to evaluate this integral from here. Now let's take note, we can actually manipulate the numerator as follows. We have 6 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 1. This will be same as t raised to the power of 3 plus 1 and then minus 1, right? Then divided by t plus 1 and then dt. So splitting the denominator, we get 6 into bracket. We have the integral from 0 to 1. We have t raised to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by t plus 1 dt minus the integral of 1 all over t plus 1 and then dt. So here I is equal to, opening the bracket with 6, we have 6 times the integral from 0 to 1. So t cubed, this one is same as 1 cubed, then divided by t plus 1 dt, then minus 6 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 all over t plus 1 and then dt. Okay, so from here, let us recall the sum of two cubes formula. We know that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So here, t raised to the power of 3 plus 1 to the power of 3 is going to be equal to t plus 1 multiplied by t squared minus t and then plus 1 squared, which is 1. Therefore, our I is going to be equal to 6 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 1 of t plus 1 multiplied by t squared minus t plus 1 divided by t plus 1, and then the t minus 6 integral from 0 to 1 of 1 divided by t plus 1, and then the t. Okay, so from here, I is equal to 6 integral from 0 to 1. So these both get cancelled. Then we have t squared minus t plus 1. The t minus, this will be 6, the natural log of t plus 1, right? With a limit from 0 to 1. So from here, I is equal to 6. Now the integral of t squared will give us t to the power of 3 divided by 3, right? Minus the integral of t will give us t to the power of 2 divided by 2. Integral of 1 with respect to t is giving us t, limit running from 0 to 1. So here we're going to put in the upper limit first, and that will give us natural log of 2 minus, with the lower limit, we'll get natural log of 1. Okay, so from here we use the limits. So the upper limit will get 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 and then plus 1. So no need for the lower limits because everything turns out to be 0 when you put the lower limits. So from here, this will give us minus 6 into bracket the ln of 2 minus the natural log of 1 is 0. So here I is equal to, open this bracket with 6. 6 times 1 over 3 is giving us 2 minus 6 times 1 over 2 is giving us 3, then plus 6 times 1 is giving us 6, then minus 6 ln of 2. So finally we have our solution, right? So this is going to give us, remember we have 8 minus 3, which is giving us 5, right? 5 minus 6 ln of 2. So this right over here is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please, if you really enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe, also like, comment and share.